green food plot is starting to come up. Got deer in it and riding right up on it. It's starting to come up over there pretty good. Over in there. Starting to come up over there pretty good too. Rain is definitely helping. And wherever the sun hits it, it's starting to come up.